guys, I'm about to hit this famous restaurant in Turkey, in Istanbul. He's all over YouTube. His food looks amazing. We're gonna try it out. As you make your way down to the Grand Bazaar, there's all these nice historical sites that you could see. Like, look how old these buildings are. The streets are beautiful, a lot of vendors. And then the streets are gonna get really tight and narrow. So I'm gonna try to buy some food on the way. I need a coffee, that's a good idea. So we basically just walked into the bazaar. You know, it's still not that busy. I'm here in the morning. And everybody's just setting up, getting the food ready, cleaning the streets, and getting ready to sell some stuff. So it's pretty cool. You walk around, you can see how some of the colors are still there from the foundations of the bazaar. There's lots of stuff to shop. There's a lot of stuff to eat. So it's a great place for street food. So when you come out of the bazaar, there's lots of street food. Lots of Turkish food right on the street. Barbecue chicken, shawarma, they call it doner here. Lots of food, still lots of shopping. So I just got this sandwich. It's just grilled. They chop it up. They put like peppers, hot peppers, onions. Let's take a bite. Oh, good. Yeah, so they put a lot of oregano in it. You can definitely tell oregano. There's peppers, like hot peppers, green peppers, onion, and then they take that. It's like they chop up the meat. I'm pretty sure it's like meat and intestine. I don't know. You're gonna have to Google it after. But it's really delicious. It's spicy. Right. It's an upward climb from the bazaar to get to the Süleymaniye Masjid, the mosque. It's beautiful. I just made it. Check it out. It's gorgeous, and it has a very nice view of Istanbul and the skyline and the sea. And it has a nice garden that you can walk around. The Blue Mosque has a garden, but you can't really walk in it, so this is nice. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. So I was saying earlier, the masjid is beautiful, but one of the reasons why you should visit this mosque, I know you might get sick of visiting all the mosques in Istanbul, but you have an amazing view of the city. So look at this. Okay, let's check out what's inside Süleymaniye Mosque. We're gonna go through the courtyard and then into the masjid. Let's go. This was one of the schools where they used to get educated. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. Okay, found a place, Mussels. Puts rice, look at that. And you put some lemon. It's good. Oh, it's so good. Oh. Heading to the seaside to go find this Turkish fish sandwich. It's very famous. Just grilled fish, some vegetables, and they're nice soft Turkish bread. Look at the view. We got this view here, the sea, and then on the other side we got the view. Look at that. Oh yeah. Here we go. We're gonna try the fish sandwich. good. The bread is soft. The bread's really soft. It just needs mayonnaise. There's no sauce at all. But it's good. I'm walking up to go see the Galata Tower. It's on the other side of Istanbul. It's a steep climb up. It's hot, but we'll make it. It's a good view. Well, on your way up to see Galata Tower, Galata, there's all these places you can stop, fill your water bottle up, look at some historic buildings, and catch your breath. We're gonna go shopping. This is a famous shopping district. It's called Istiklal Street. So it's right after the Galata Tower. You can walk all the way to Taksim Square. It's gonna be nice. It's more modern shopping. Lots of cool stuff to see, so check it out. Just finished some shopping. Gonna just continue down. I'm gonna hit up a really nice Turkish cafe and get some nice Turkish coffee. This is the
Turkish delicious.
Turkish delicious kafta. Oh, it's stuffed with like vegetables, onion, spicy. It's meat though. It's good. It's very good. Oh guys, I'm about to hit this famous restaurant in Turkey, in Istanbul. He's all over YouTube. His food looks amazing. We're gonna try it out.